My Bobby just parked the car, so inside in the scenic world. Come on, my love, let's go. It's there, entry. You're gonna show the receipt. We're ready to go. So it's really quick if you book online. So let's go. Where are we gonna go, darling?
Okay, then that way.
This way. So let's go. I'm gonna shop. You guys going inside the scenic with my Bobby. So guys, taas ng pela talaga. Looks like that's the train. There's the driver. So it's gonna close up. Ours is the next trip. Oh yeah. So this is our train. Let's go. Bobby, ready?
Alrighty, doors are going to close left hand side. Arms please, pitch forks, Jack's bags.
We're going. Close na siya.
Alrighty, warm welcome on the World Steepest Railway. My name is Liam. Okay, good. And here we go.
Let's go. Choo-choo. All aboard.
Appropriate music.
Oh no. What's scary? Can I hold it? Oh my goodness. So still.
Front one would have went good, wouldn't it?
It's so really downhill. Oh God. Look at the view. Alright. It's really going downhill. Bobby, okay. So we're here in station.
That would have been
Alrighty folks, welcome down into the Jamison.
So we're going to the walkway na maglalakad. So oh, mine office.
vertical drop.
Just like that? Like that, Baba? Wow, look at the rocks. The rock. It's really cold again.
They're after dinosaurs, dead dinosaurs.
Wow. Giddy up, horsey. Giddy up,
Here's the
horsey.
coal mine, 1878.
1878, wow. It's katumbak.
Oh,
Oh
you
my.
burned it, the fires.
It's
burned
too
it.
heavy, darling.
That's what they used to mine, darling.
So it's so beautiful. Blue Mountains National Park. Bobby's in the jungle. Wow. That's an old rock. So if you're a nature lover, this is the good place for you to explore. So we're here in the middle of nowhere. If you like to walk in the middle of the bush, this is good for you. If you don't like it, it's not for you. My hubby love it very much. As much as I do. Gustong titira sa jungle. Welcome to Shane's house. So it's like one room or one house.
This is where they would have slept. A couple of people, 4 or 5 people slept on the floor.
Who, the old people?
No, when they were working.
Working in the mine? There's a table. It's just like my house in the Philippines. So feel like home. Wow. It's my Baba. You okay? Really big place called for. There's heaps of chair. Huh? So what's this one, darling? Is this a chapel?
No, this is where they probably say it.
It's like a meeting area.
Yeah, tour.
Ah, okay. And you're gonna find love. I'm gonna go with a cable car. This is how this cable car. So where are we going, darling? We're going back to the. We're gonna catch up with the cable car. I'm just relying on you, my love. Without you, I will be lost.
Going to the cable area. I've noticed.
When you're back in the old days,
Why?
go and get water,
Ah,
stuff like that.
really?
You come down to the plateau down here, in the creek.
Ay.
And I realized there's only a few Australian people here. It's more Asian people.
The beauty of nature talaga.
Hello.
Who loves the bush? My bush ranger.
Some coal.
So it's so tiring, guys. Good experience, guys. It's only $50 per person.
3 and then 3 above is medicine, amount.
1 hour later.
We're heading back to the cable car area now, and
Come down to visit Katoomba. It's the best place to visit.
so we're here. There's heaps of people gonna wait in queue again. Everywhere. We're waiting for the next cable car. Yeah. Look at that. That's the machine. So, what's your finger, darling? What's your finger? So they're going cable way. Bye.
Nanti dia pergi sebelah sini masuk.
Whoa. So how high is that? Huh?
Same as what we came down on the train.
Oh, really? So we're waiting for the next sky cable car for our next trip. Girls. There they are. We're inside now, so stampede.
Anyway, I'm putting a few things out along the way. You have to listen and make a chat. So that's what I'm going to do. So first things first, to the front window, just to the right, is a really big waterfall. That's before we go to the mountain park. Waterfall front window is the way we are going. If you're just back there, you're at the back window, you cannot see waterfall. Once you're waterfall, don't fret, you'll see it on
So
the
we come from
skyway.
there.
Once you on the skyway, there's a spectator.
The Blue Mountains.
Right hand side of the Three Sisters.
Look at
You
them.
know, Woomala and Kelly Jew from left to right.
That's still okay, darling. We can see both sides. Three sisters. That's the down. अन्त गर्नुभयो अघि हेर्न रुख हेर्न मलाई तलबाट हेर्दा है यो सबै वाकवे छ बाबा हिँड्दै जङ्गलै जङ्गल अघि हिँड्ने भने यही हो हेर्दा बाटो के भन्छ खै के को त हिँड्ने बाटो छ क्या तर सबै सिस्टर त्यता
Just around here is Portland Rock, now work out from the 1930s and 1930, very close to 1974.
That's the beautiful scenery. We're going up now.
No, you can't climb. No, you can't.
त्यति सिस्टर हेर्न हामी अघि
If you want to climb it, you have to just 7 it down. If you miss, you fall off a cliff and then die. So,
Fall from the...
Don't. Also $2,000 fine if you live, and $5,000 body next legal fee. So, bit of a swing.
We're here now? Whoa!
Head down the corridor. Number 1, middle of the retail space, there is a honey stand for the customer.
I'm just waiting. Everybody's gonna go down. Just wait, darling. And your barcode. Go. Scan. Okay, let's go. We're gonna try the big one, the Skywalk cable car. So let's go. Only Shano is the Australian that will come here for visit. Mostly are like me, Asian. We are the very adventurous people. Charot. The biggest one. So where are we gonna go, darling? Huh? In the middle? We're here inside. So which one is the better view? The big one.
I reckon this.
We can see under there. Waiting to what you call depart. This is the big sky cable. So if you must visit Kachumbai, this one the thing that you don't miss. $50 per person, which is really reasonable price. And you will enjoy whole day. That's my thing now. No glass? That's only no glass? Wow. Huh? Huh?
To the bottom.
We can see, darling. It's very thick. Waterfall. The people I can see. Why we stop, darling? Why we stop?
Because that stops at Tasmania.
Oh. No, we can't. This is the wrong area. We're going back? Because it's really windy. Oh my god. No. No. Sorry, it's gonna go.
No, that's not my place.
Oh, we're not keep going there? Yeah.
That used to be joined across.
Oh. And now it's... Yeah. So it's all empty. Thank you.
When it's not there.
It's windy. Again. Our hand. Come on, Bobby. Where are we gonna go next, huh?
That's it.
So,
All done.
the hotel?
Yeah.
We need to go to the hotel because it's really cold and tired, and then have a little bit rest. And
Yeah, half an hour rest. Then we've been going for 3 hours.
Thank you, Scenic World Katoomba, for the good experience. I'm not definitely coming back because I already had experience. One time experience, which is good.